There are some trades that I closed recently which has run for more than 1 year, and the reason why I'm bringing this to my audience is to tell us that the price is everything in this market. The price is everything in stock market, the forex market, and any of the trading industry that you can step on. When you talk about price, you talk about trend following. We do not care about any other thing rather than the price. When we talk about trend following, we have been saying that trend following is a very robust trading on strategy, which many people argue. But with this in video that I am bringing forth to you, I will still prove it to you that trend following is among the best trading strategy that somebody can step on. I placed a trade on EURJPY since last year 2025, and it has been running up to recently that it was closed down in profit, and that is why I am making this video. We follow the trend to ride the trend. What I'm trying to say is that as the market does that price, as I was placing that trade, nobody was able to say that the price will go up to that extent. I wasn't able to analyze that the price will be running for more than 1 year in my direction. No analyst predicted it. No technical analysis or fundamental analysis was able to predict that the price of that pair, EURJPY and GBPJPY, will run up to that extent. The market, the price was just doing its thing the way it wants it. So what we are trying to drive from this video is that whenever you are trading, there is nobody that can predict the market exactly how it's going to go, or how far it's going to go, or what exactly is going to work. That is why trend following is very, very good. You place your trade and you leave it to do the work for you. Let us jump directly to our chart so that I will show you the trades that I closed in profit that ran for more than 1 year, and the time that I opened them, the time that it was closed. My name is Steve Mex FX. I am a professional trader, a trend follower for that matter. I usually bring my experience, which I have gathered over the years that I have been trading, to help traders that are coming up, even experienced traders that will want to know how I have been doing it in the market. This topic is a very, very interesting topic, which says that price is everything in the market. Let us jump directly to our chart so that I will show you how the price trended for almost a year and 2 or 3 months, as the case may be. GBPJPY and EURJPY is the pairs that I closed recently that has trended for a very long period of time. Let us jump directly to our chart. Okay, here is our MT4, and first of all, look at, okay, let us check the EURJPY first. EURJPY, this is the chart though, this is the chart, and as you can see the EURJPY, look at the price that we opened it. It is on the 2020. Okay, no, this is not the position. This is not the, okay, look at the position we are talking about, the one that is highlighted in blue. We opened that position on the 26th of May 2025, 26th of May 2025, and it was closed on the 30th of July 2026. This is exactly 1 year and 2 months that this position was moving in my direction. So from 26th of May 2025, we exactly be somewhere here. Let me zoom it out a little bit so that okay, it's too much. It should be from here. 26th of May should be somewhere from here. Okay, it should be somewhere from here that we placed that particular position, and then we are in the game from here up until here. Is that not amazing? That is exactly what we are trying to say. All through this period that the market was, let me pick my beak. let me pick my week so that we can do this very well. All this period, all through this period, starting from here, all through this period that the market was moving in our favor, there supposed not to be an analyst that will tell you, no analyst can tell you that the market will move in your direction up to here. There is no technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or any analysis that will tell you that this particular pair will move in your direction as you place this trade for this very long period of time. As you can see, nobody. It is only the price that you are just taking advantage of and riding the trend and making your money as the trend goes in your direction that we know here. Because I myself, when I was placing that trade, I didn't know, even as I was placing it, I didn't know that it was going to be a profitable position. All I know is that I made my analysis, my little analysis, and just placed the trade and closed my laptop and go to bed. And the market started going in my favor, and as it's moving in my favor, all I was doing is for me just to close the gap of my stop loss, so that I was trailing it as it was moving in my direction until here, when there is a heavy pullback and stop me out, as the case may be, which is this particular pair, EURJPY daily chart. So which other trading strategy will give you this kind of rest of mind? You placed a trade and it was running for more than 1 year. I don't think there is any strategy that will be good as that. And this particular movement is up to 13% movement. As in, you use this particular movement from here to cover 13% of your trading account, as the case may be. Notwithstanding that I am facing drawdown even as I have this position, because if you check the lot size I used in placing this particular position, it is a very mini lot size because my account is not heavy. Look at it, it's 0.01 lot size, which is not bad still, because I am trading according to the my account size. Look at the second pair also, which is GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY also ran for almost the same period of time. Look at it, GBP-JPY was placed on 26th of May 2025. Look at it here, look at the chart here, 26th of May 2025, to close on the 3rd of August 2026. On the 3rd of August 2026, and 26th of May was from somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here, and we were able to ride it up until up, and it was able and it finally closed with this bearish candle, with this heavy bearish candle, that is what closed the position. And don't be surprised that there may be some other traders just like me that are still in this position, depending on your trading criterias, because all you need as a trend follower is your entry criteria, your exit criteria, your stop loss parameters. Very, very important. Hadn't been that, okay, let me show you example. Before capturing this trend, notice that the market was very, very ranging. The market, where is the opening date? Opening date was around here. Opening date was around here. Wait, let me zoom it out so that we can see clearly. Okay, opening date was somewhere here. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, opening date was somewhere here. Okay, if you notice that the before we capture that trend, as you notice that before we capture that trend, the market was was heavily ranging all through here. Okay, all through here the market was heavily ranging. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that before you capture that kind of trend, you have to be patient and be ready to pay the price, because it comes with some little price that you need to pay, which the market might be choppy, might be moving in sideways for a very long period of time. Okay, so all you need is your risk management, your super money management. That is all you need. Is non-negotiable, because that is the only thing that will lead you through before you will be able to capture that kind of trend. Look at all here, how the market was very ranging. So with all these things here, if you do not manage your account very well, you might end up losing your account before capturing that kind of trend, and that is the lesson here. So I will still show you some pairs that are still ranging, now, that we are still navigating to know if we'll be able to capture the trend, which is GBP USD, which has been on a very nasty range. Look at GBP USD, how it has been ranging. I tell you that as a trend follower, depending on your trading style, look at here, it is very nasty. Look at all through here, it is not good for us. So your super money management is only what will save you from this kind of market condition. Okay, your super money management is what will save you from this kind of market condition. Look at how choppy the market, the GBP USD is going. Eventually it will break out either upward or downward, either bullish or bearish, as the case may be. But where it will go is what we don't know. Nobody can tell you a crystal ball of where the price will eventually go. It is only for you to manage your risk and place your trade. You don't need to jump or skip a position. You don't need to skip an entry. How do I call it? You don't need to skip a signal from your trading strategy, because you might not know which signal will eventually trend. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to execute your strategy judiciously, waiting for when the market will give you that trending condition that you need. So price is everything in this market. Price is everything that we know. You don't need heavy analysis. You don't need to pick the bottom and the top. You don't need to do this or do that. No, just wait for the price to present a good position or opportunity, and you just jump it in and ride it as long as the market continues to move in your favor. So thank you very much for watching this video. Smash the thumbs up button. Yes, smash that thumbs up button, and type in the comment below how you are seeing this particular pair that I wrote for a very long period of time. How you see it, what are your views, what are your take. Then share this video for people to see it. Thank you once more, and may God continue to bless you. See you some other time.